I wanted to invent a barbecue that had all of the benefits of charred grilling over some hot coals, but also the ease and speed of gas. And this is it. It's called the Fusion. It fuses together modern technology with all of the benefits of a good old charcoal fire. It completely and utterly gets rid of the pain in the neck of lighting a barbecue because of this little beauty here. It's a stroke of genius. Fast flame ignition system. And that spark of the fuse gets the coals going. The heat then turbo boosts the coals to readiness. You can have this ready to cook in like 10 minutes. First time I used it, I still couldn't believe just doing that would light a charcoal barbecue. It works. I mean, it's incredible. You just press the button and that's it. And within 10 minutes, you can cook on it. As well as that, if you want to do a spit roast chicken, maybe a leg of lamb, a whole fish, you can, because these form the rotisserie. And that's it. Press the button, off you go.